Hi friends, this is my YouTube channel Think Max. If you like my videos, just show your support by subscribing to this channel and hit the bell button so that you get the notification whenever I upload my videos. So these are the playlist in my channel. So if you want, you can check out the playlist. So there are some playlists on Class 10 Max, Chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry, and you have all the playlist for sample question paper. And this is the playlist for introduction to trigonometry. In the same way, there are playlist for each chapter for Class 10 Max, and also there is a playlist for Math Olympiad questions. So if you want, you can check the playlist. Thank you. Hello, my dear children. Welcome you all to Think Max. We are in class 4 Math Olympiad questions. In this session, we are going to discuss about part 2, question number 11 to 20 from logical reasoning. In the previous video, we discussed part 1, question number 1 to 10. This is also from logical reasoning. So, let us get into the video. So, here 11th question. A man walks 3 kilometers towards south and then turns to the right. After walking 5 kilometers, he turns to the left and walks 4 kilometers. In which direction is he from the starting point? So for the directions, we have drawn two lines. So this is west and east and north, south. So a man is standing here. This is his right hand side, and on the east we have left hand side. So on the west side we have right hand side, on the east side we have left hand. Okay, so this man is walking towards south. So he is walking 3 kilometers towards south. So when he comes here, he turns to the right. Where is the right hand side? Right hand side is towards west. So he will turn towards west. So this is the west side. So he will turn towards west after walking 5 kilometers. So he will turn towards west and he will walk 5 kilometers. So this man will walk 5 kilometers. When he comes here, he turns to the left. Where is left? So when he is coming here, this man left side is towards south. So he will turn towards south and will walk 4 kilometers. Okay. So where will be here? This man will be here. Now look at this. So this man is walking 3 kilometers south and turns to the right. So he turns to the right side after walking 5 kilometers. So this man is walking 5 kilometers and turns to the left. So left hand side is towards south. So and he walks 4 kilometers. So after walking 4 kilometers, where is he? He is towards southwest. So this is the position of this person. So this person is towards south and west. So he is southwest. So option D is our right choice. Okay children, do you understand? So moving on to the 12th question. Which of the following is false? Now there are four options. 15 xv, 19 xix, 25 xvx, 30 xxx. What does this denote? These are all Roman numerals. I think you all know about the Roman numerals. So 1i stands for number 1. 2i makes 2. 3i makes 3. And I and v makes 4. V makes 5. So adding 1 to this v, that is, this is v is 5. So 5 plus 1, it is 6. 5 plus 2, it is 7. 5 plus 3, it is 8. Then I and x. So if we write I and x, if x is at the end, it is 10 minus 1. Okay. So 10 minus 1, 9. So ix makes 9. So x makes 10. So if we know 1 to 10, then we can write 11 to 20. So 10 and 1 makes 11. So 10 and 1. 10 and 2 makes 12. 10 and 3 makes 13. 10 and 4 makes 14. 10 and 5 makes 15. 10 and 6 makes 16. 10 and 7, 10 and 8. So 10 and 9, 10 and 10 makes 20. Okay, children. In the same way, it is 21 to 30. Now here, look at this 15. It is 10 and V stands for 5. So it is 10 and 5, 15. So this is right. Here 19. So this is 10 and 1 ix means 9. 10 and 9 makes 19. So this is also right. Now take 25. 25 means 20 plus 5. There should be 2 tens. So in the beginning there should be 2 tens and then 5. Okay. So it is XXV, not XVX. So option C is the false one. So which of the following false? Option C. Option C is our right choice. Okay children. For 30 it is right. 3 tens makes 30. So X means 10. So 3 tens makes 30. Okay children, do you understand? So option C is our false option. Okay. So moving on to the 13th question. When X got ready for school, he looked at the clock. He saw that the position of hour hand is at P and minute hand is at Q. The position of P and Q respectively is dash. So, hour hand. In the clock, hour hand will be small and minutes hand will be long. And a thin one is the seconds hand. So, these are the three hands in a clock. Here, there are no numbers. So, this one is 12. So, we can write. So, this is 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, hour hand is the small hand. So, hour hand is at 7 and minutes hand is the long hand which is at 12. So, it is 7, 12. So, option B is our right choice. Okay. Moving on to the 14th question. Which number will replace the in-out machine? So there is a machine here, in-out machine. If we put 1, we are getting 1. If we put 5, we are getting 5. If you put 20, we are getting 100. So if we put 15, what should we get? There are 4 options. Option A 200, option B 300, option C 400, option D 500. So here, if you put 1, we are getting 1. If you put 5, we are getting 5. If you put 20, we are getting 100. How is it possible? So check the in values. So 5 into 1. So first one, if you put 1, write that 1. Next, if you put 5, it is nothing but 5 into 1, it is 5. So this is nothing but 5 into 1, the previous one. Next, take this 20. So they are putting 20 input value is 20, 20 into 5. So multiplying with the previous value. So this is 20 into 500. 0 5s are 0, 2 5s are 10, 20 into 5, we get 100. Next, take 15. What we have to do? We have to multiply 15 with the previous value. So it is 15 into 20. What is that? If ends with tens, that is in zeros, put that 0 and multiply with the remaining. So 15 into 2. 5 twos are 10, balance 1, 1 twos are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So what is the answer it is? It is 300. So where is the option? Option B is our right choice. So moving on to the 15th question. Priya and Raj are collecting stamps. They have 5 stamps each. Rohit gave 7 more stamps to each of them. If Rohit is left with 12 stamps, how many stamps did he have before? So what are they? Who are they now? So Priya, Raj, and one more person is Rohit. So there are 3 persons. Priya has 5 stamps. They have 5 stamps each. So Priya and Raj have 5 stamps. Rohit is left with 12 stamps. Now we should tell how many stamps did Rohit have before? Okay. So what did he do? Rohit gave 7 more stamps to each of them. So he gave 7 stamps to Priya and 7 stamps to Raj. So totally he gave how many stamps? 7 plus 7. He gave 14 stamps. Rohit gave 14 stamps to Priya and Raj. Now he has 12 stamps. So in total, he should have 12 plus 14 stamps before. What is 12 plus 14? First add the ones place 2 and 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. 1 plus 1, it is 2. So the answer is 26. So option C is our right choice. Okay. So moving on to the 16th question. Which pair of numbers best completes the equation? What is the equation? A rectangle box divided by 100 equal to a oval. So what number comes in rectangle? What number comes in oval? So there are 4 options. Let us check the option one by one. So in rectangle, in option A, we have 95 divided by 100. 95 divided by 100, we will not get 950. Small number by big number, we will get a fraction. Or here there are 2 zeros. If there are 2 zeros, we should put a decimal before 2 numbers. Here already we have only 2 numbers. So answer will be 0.95. So this is the rectangle and this is the oval. So option A is wrong. Next we will go to option B. What is the option B? So in rectangle we should place 9500, 9500 divided by 100. So if we divide by 100, these two, I'm sorry, these 2 zeros gets cancelled. So 95 divided by 1 is 95. So this is the rectangle and the oval we get 95. It is written correctly. So option B is right. So let us check for other options too. Here in rectangle, we have 905 divided by 100. Divided by 100. So here there are 2 zeros. So 905 is not divisible by 100. So we have to place 2 points here. So 9.05. 9.05. We will not get the full number for this. So here it is oval is 9500 and the rectangle is 905. So this is also wrong. Now take the option D. What is that? In rectangle we should place 950 divided by 100. So this zeros gets cancelled. So it is 95 by 10. 95 by 10 is not exactly divisible by 10. So here is 1 0. What we have to do? We have to place the decimal before one number. So it is 9.5. So 950 is rectangle and the oval is 9.5. But it is 9005. So option D is also wrong. So only option B is our correct choice. Okay children. So moving on to the 17th question. Look at the given pattern. 14, 42, 70, 98, 126. Next number we have to find out. What number should come next in the pattern? So there are 4 options. 217, 210, 126, 154. Now check here. First number is 14. So 14 and the next number is 42. So we have to find out the difference here. So 42 minus 40. 2 minus 4 is not possible. So take a number from this. So this will become 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 3 minus 1, it is 2. Now the difference between 14 and 42 is 28. Now take the difference between 42 and 70. So 70, 42. 0 minus 2 not possible. So take a number from here. 10 minus 2 is 8. 6 minus 4 is 2. So for this also the difference is 28. Now what about 70 and 98? So 98, 70. 8 minus 0, 8. 9 minus 7, 2. So here the difference is 28. Now what about 126 and 98? So 6 minus 8 is not possible. So take a number from the before. It will become 16. Because this is tens place, we will take 1 tens. So 10 and 6 will become 16. So 16 minus 8 is 8. 1 minus 9 possible, not possible. So take a number. So this will become 11. So 11 minus 9, it is 2. So the answer is 28. So all the differences are 28. It means each number is added by 28. So if we add 28 to 126, we will get the next number. So 6 plus 8, it is 14. Balance 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. And this one. So the option D is our correct answer. Okay, children. So moving on to the 18th question. P is greater than Q. R is greater than P. Q is greater than R. If the first two statements are true, the third statement is, there are four options, true, false, uncertain, none of this. So there are three options. What are the options? First one is P is greater than Q. So who is greater? P. So the mouth should open to the greater side. So mouth is here. This should open to the greater side. P greater than Q. Then R greater than P. R greater than P. So this is first one. This is second one. Next third one is Q is greater than R. They are saying that first two statements are true. Okay. So what is given? P is greater than Q and R is greater than P. So we can club this. That is R is greater than P. So this P is greater than Q. That means R is greater than Q. Okay. Since R is greater than P, this P is greater than Q. So R should be greater than Q. But what is given? Q is greater than R. So this is not true. So this B is false, is our correct choice. So third statement is false. Okay, children, do you understand? So moving on to the 19th question. So before moving on to the 19th question, we should know some facts about cube. So a cube has 6 sides: top, front, side, so back, base, side. Okay. So if this is the cube and this is top, so on below the top we will have the base. Okay. So on front, so this is the front, and at the back side of the front we have the back side. So this is back side of the front. So this is the back side of the front, and we have two sides. So this is one side and another side will be at the just opposite to this side. So we have top, front, side, back, base, side. So there are 6 sides in the cube. Okay, children, do you understand? Question number 19. Which of the following cubes does the given net makes? So before that we have to know what is the net of a cube. So here look at this. This is called the net of a cube. So a cube has 6 sides which you have seen before. Front and back, 2 sides, and top and base. So these are the 6 sides. This 6 side can be formed into a net. That is, in a plain paper we can draw this. So this 2 are sides and base is in the center, back, front, top. What do you mean by this? So this is nothing. So in a plain paper, if you draw like this, and if you hold these two sides and bring this top on here, and back and front, if you join, we will get a cube. Okay. So this is called the net, one of the net of a cube. So this is one of the net. We have so many nets. Here one net is given. So according to this, this is the side. So this is side. So if we compare this net with this side we get, and this is another side, and this top will be the back. According to this net, this is back, and down we have front. So this is front, and this one is base according to the net, and this is the top. So this is the net given. According to this net, which cube matches with this? So now if you look at the net, what we have on top? We have on top 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So which option has 4? Option C has 4. So now look at the side. So side has 2. So here side has 2, and front it is 1 dot. So who matches with this? Option C. So option C matches with this. So option A, we have 7 dots in the front. So on side it is 7 dots. So it doesn't matches. So front we have 7 dots. So 7 dots are on side. So this doesn't matches. So in option D, there are 3 dots in the front. In the front what we have? We have 1 dot. So A, B, D doesn't matches. So this is from the plain figure. We can check this practically. Okay children, are you ready? Now look at this children. So this card resembles the same card as given in the question paper. So now I am going to hold this card, that is hold to into a cube. So just check it. So I am holding it to a cube. Now we have to find out which cube in the options given matches with the cube. Okay children? Now look at this children. So I have marked all the dots in the following 4 options in a Rubik's cube. So look at the first option A. So what do we have? We have 7 dots. So I have marked 7 dots here. But if you look at the net, so if you look at the net of the cube, so there are 7 dots on the side. So 7 dots should come on the side, not on the front according to the option A. So option A is ruled out. Next look at option B. In option B, what do we have? We have the same 7 dots. But what happened? So the given net is 7 dots in the side. Okay. So now come to option C. So what is in option C? In option C we have 2 dots on side and 4 dots on top and a dot in the front. Okay. So a dot is in the front. So let me mark a dot in the front. So there is a dot in the front. So now, so what do we have? We have 4 dots on top. So let me place the 4 dot. So the 4 dot is on green side. So I have placed it on top. Now what should we have? We should have a dot in the front. So let us search it. So we can turn this way. So now we have a dot in the front, and on top I have 4 dots. Okay, top we have 4 dots, and on side. So these are the 2 sides. So on one side we should have 2 dots. So is it so? Yes, we have 2 dots. So option C matches with this. Now take option D. Okay, so take option D. So what is option D? What we have? Option D we have 6 dots. In option D we have 6 dots in the front. But in the net 6 dots are in the base. 6 dots are in the base. So option D is ruled out. So which option is correct? Only option C is our right choice. So we can mark option C. So option C is our right choice. Moving on to the 10th question. The picture shows all the candy that will be placed in a machine. Each time the handle on the machine is pulled, one candy comes out. Alicia will pull the handle on the machine. Which color of candy is most likely to come out? So there are four options: green, blue, pink, yellow. Here, which color of the candy is more, that color will come out most often. So let us count the colors. So pink color. How many pink colors are there? One, two, three. So pink is three. Next yellow, one, two, three. So there are three yellow. Next blue, one, two, three, four, five. So there are five blues. Green, it is one. So we have counted everything. Green is one. So which color is more? Blue color is more. So blue will come out most often. Okay. So which color of candy is most likely to come out? Blue color is most likely to come out, because this is more. As it is more, it will come out most likely. So option B is our right choice. So I'm sorry, this is 20th question, not 10th one. So this is the 28th question. So with this, we have completed this session. Thank you. Thank you for watching.